Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Whether you're here to compare apps, learn something new, or just stay updated, you're in the right place. Let's jump straight into it.
Alright guys, welcome back to the channel. Today, I'm showing you how to fix the Epic Game Launcher setup with our error in 2025. If you ever into issues installing or updating the launcher and you're stuck in the setup wizard, these are the fixes that actually work smoothly. First, check your internet connection. Make sure it's stable and reliable. A drop coloring installation can cause that error. If you're on a Wi-Fi, switch to a wired connection if possible before trying again. Next, run the installer as an administrator. Right-click the setup file and choose Run as Administrator. This ensures the launcher has the right permission to install critical components. That often clears the error right away. If that doesn't work, disable any antivirus or firewall temporarily. Some security software blocks the installation, so turning it off just until setup completes can solve the issue. Remember to enable protection afterward. Another proven fix is clearing the Epic Game Launcher folder in program files. Delete the entire Epic Games directory, then re-download the setup wizard from the Epic Games website. A fresh install often eliminates error caused by corrupted files. Finally, check your system date and time settings. If they are incorrect, SSL certificates can fail and block the setup process. Sync them to the correct date, time, and try again. Thanks for watching. If this helped you to fix the Epic Games Launcher setup without error, please like this video, leave your questions in the comment, and subscribe for more gaming troubleshoot tutorials and guides. See you in the next time.